Razer is taking comfort to the next level with the launch of two new additions to its ProClick series, introducing the ProClick V2 and the ProClick V2 Vertical Edition. The ProClick V2 builds on Razer's proven design, refining the traditional mouse experience. It features a subtle 30-degree tilt to promote a more natural grip, offering a perfect balance between familiar comfort and improved ergonomics. With 9 programmable buttons, it provides plenty of flexibility for work, gaming, and everything in between. Battery life? Expect up to 3.5 months of power on a full charge. And yes, true to Razer tradition, vibrant RGB lighting makes its presence known. Where Razer is really breaking new ground is with the ProClick V2 Vertical Edition, its very first vertical mouse design. The Vertical Edition features a steep 71.7-degree tilt, encouraging a handshake-like grip. This posture naturally reduces muscle strain, making it an ideal choice for anyone who spends long hours at a desk. An integrated base support also works to minimize wrist friction, delivering even more comfort during extended use. It comes equipped with 8 programmable buttons and a standout battery life of up to 6 months on a single charge. The ProClick V2 Vertical Edition is priced at $120, while the standard ProClick V2 is slightly more affordable at $100. While the Vertical Edition prioritizes wrist health with fewer buttons, the classic model gives you one extra programmable option, perfect for productivity enthusiasts. Whichever you choose, you're getting premium build quality, ergonomic engineering, and Razer's signature RGB flair. With the ProClick V2 lineup, Razer is showing that comfort and performance don't have to be mutually exclusive. Whether you're upgrading your work-from-home setup or looking for an edge in your creative projects, the ProClick V2 and Vertical Edition offer compelling choices. Ready to rethink the way you click?